Hey there, picture perfect people. Happy Thursday. I just want to keep this quick because it's really cold outside. So much for fall. We're moving into winter, ready for it or not. But we are going to be going live this evening with my good friend Allyn Hane from the Lawn Care Nut YouTube channel. If you're watching me on YouTube, then 9 out of 10 times I'm going to be betting that you're watching Allyn as well. The Lawn Care Nut is the biggest turf-oriented YouTube channel out there. He is amazingly successful with this. And that success stems not only from Allyn's great personality and viewability, but also from his awesome experience and knowledge about everything turf related. We're super excited to have Allyn on the channel to not only bring you information about what he's up to and what he's doing, but also to talk back and forth about one of the big things that's going on this month, which is Mowvember. That's right, folks. Mowvember. Still going on, still important. We're still talking about men's health issues. So Allyn's gonna help me talk to you guys about that, as well as, probably more interesting to you, but less important, the options of DIY lawn care versus hiring a professional. The biggest part of Allyn's channel is to teach homeowners the information they're going to need to properly apply fertilizer, weed control, and other things to their lawn. This is a great resource for the people who have the time, energy, and finances to be able to dedicate to making their lawn look amazing and dominating their neighbor. But like we've talked about before, this can be a lot to chew. It can be a lot to handle. So Allyn and I are going to be talking about how to decide between DIY and hiring a professional, and when it's time to just call in somebody who might have more resources to help you. And even better, we're going to talk about how you can be working with a professional, but what little things you as a homeowner can be doing to really maximize on that service. And that's a huge part of who we are as a company, is wanting to make sure that our clients have all of the resources on the table. So what I need you guys to do is go ahead and comment below a question that you have about DIY versus professional lawn care, Mowvember, or what Allyn's up to and what his channel's all about. Please comment below so that I have plenty of things to talk about with Allyn. He and I could talk all day, but I want to make sure that's something that you're excited to log in for and watch. Remember, we're going live tonight at 9 o'clock Eastern time with Allyn Hane at the Lawn Care Nut. To get you guys excited about this, because I'm excited, here are a few clips from some recent videos of Allyn's.
What's up, y'all? I'm Allyn Hane, the Lawn Care Nut. Thanks for coming back for yet another week. Now, this is a little bit different type of a video. Actually, this video here, as you can tell from the title, is to bring awareness to the Mowvember campaign that's going on here in the lawn care community, and even in a broader scope, going on throughout the world to raise awareness for men's health.
These lawnmowers actually have millions of views on YouTube.
Oh,
These
really?
actual lawnmowers.
Oh,
yeah.
no kidding.
This clip director actually has Emmy Awards for direction.
You could see this on YouTube right now. Like if you bought this, you could see your mower on YouTube for the rest of your life. If you want something a little cheaper, $3,500 on that one. That one's more famous on Instagram and it hasn't been touched by Brandon Davis, so.
You're a trip.
What? These are worth it, man. I can match them all the way back to the factory.
But the first thing I want you to understand is no matter what fertilizer you're using, whether you're using 2404 Carbon X or a 2404 Scott's Synthetic from Home Depot, the most important thing that you can do to get results is to put down a proper, even, consistent application. 80% of your results, no matter what you're doing, fertilizing, killing bugs, putting down fungicides, whatever you're doing, 80% of the success comes from doing a proper application. And when I say that, it's getting the right amount of product down, getting it down evenly and consistently, and then getting it, in this case, watered into the soil. Now, that's not to say all fertilizers are created equal. If you're gonna take the time to walk across your lawn and spread something, you might as well get some additional goodness out of it, and that's why I like products like the ones I use. Now, one of the things I want to point out, and again, this doesn't matter what fertilizer you're using, it took me 10 days to get results here, and most of the results have come in the last 3 days, and that is because we got some good rain here. I really appreciate you supporting our community in this initiative, but most of all, do what you can to create a conversation around men's health and men's health issues. With that, I'm Allyn Hane, the Lawn Care Nut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the lawn.
We're thrilled to have Allyn joining us tonight. So if you have questions for him, like I said, be sure to comment them below. If you have questions for me too, you can do that, but you know you can always ask me questions. And to get ready for it, don't just subscribe to our channel so that you can get the notification when we go live, but head on over to the Lawn Care Nut. And if for some reason you're not one of the thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of people that's already subscribed to his channel, do so. It's great information for both professionals and homeowners alike to be following because it's so widespread and universal. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you're staying healthy and growing out your stash like I am. You can see it's gotten a lot longer. So be sure to comment below and we'll see you tonight.